Cool thing about this knot, gone. Hey, what's up everybody? If you don't know, I live full-time in the teardrop camper here, and today we need to wash my bedding because Copper, my dog, decided to jump on it and get it all dirty and filthy. So we are going to wash it in the field. Stay tuned, and we'll see how this turns out. First thing we need to do today is we got to put up a clothes hanger so it'll dry. I'm going to show you how I do it. First thing you want to do is just tie off one end of the string over there. And then what I do here is I use a trucker knot, and I'll show you how to make that. It's real simple knot. Take this. So basically you want two pieces like one string here. Cross it over, bring this part in, but don't go all the way. Like this, and I want to actually keep more over here, so and then you just kind of pull it tight. You get a loop like that, right? You come up here, you put this loop through, or that in through that loop, and now you can pull it real nice and tight. Normally I'll have more string over here to play with, but I don't need it this time. And now what you do is you pinch here and you go around and you tie just a common, well, I guess you call it a granny knot, just an over the loop and under, or whatever it is. You know how you tie your shoe, and put one through there, pull that tight, and then you put another one just to hold it on, but you don't have to pull it very tight so you can get it out, but there's no tension on that knot so it won't tighten up on you. And boom, get yourself a clothes hanger. So a good friend of mine showed me that trick. Super handy knot, but I also recommend, if you don't already have one, pick up a little cheat sheet, because knowing good knots for ropes and stuff is super helpful, because I could take this down real easy and I don't have to fight any knots, and the string won't be knotted up at all, and it's super convenient. So this water over here isn't exactly the cleanest water I've seen. It's got a lot of, I don't know, brown tint to it, probably a bunch of dead vegetation. So to wash this laundry, what I've done is I've taken a 5-gallon bucket and I'm going up and I'm filtering out 5 gallons, and then we're going to use 2 gallons to wash and 2 gallons to rinse. That's kind of the idea. Anyhow, welcome to my laundry room. The way this works is we use a 5-gallon bucket, which has millions of different uses. This is a man's best friend here. You add your garment, shove that in there, shoo the dog away, add water. Hey, cop, get. Add soap. This is it's an all-in-one, eco-friendly soap. Now, you get your agitator and you start working it. Or instead of your hands, you can use a walking stick you whittled years ago. Once you feel you've done some adequate washing, come over to the old clothesline here. Wring it out as much as you can. We're going to rinse it in here. Then you hang it, we'll spread it out and let it dry. And that's how you do laundry in the field. I just got back from the laundromat a couple days ago, so kind of a bummer, but that's okay. Got it taken care of. Hopefully it'll get dried out in all this smoke. I hope you found that interesting, and if you like the sort of thing, feel free to follow along, and I will see you on the next one. On to the next adventure.